What if your front door is the weakest link in your home? We hired ethical hackers to test 25 smart locks, 6 survived. One uses AI to detect intruders, another works even during blackouts, but number 4? It's so advanced, it called the cops before a break-in even happened. Stick around, your keys might be obsolete. All links below. Let's lock it down. Starting at number 1. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. Best overall. This smart lock from Schlage gets a Grade 1 mechanical quality rating from the American National Standards Institute, ANSI, which is the best rating available and means the deadbolt can withstand 250,000 cycles and 10 door strikes with a hammer. Examining the deadbolt, it's not hard to understand how it earned the rating with its robust, heavy metal housings that enclose both the interior and exterior mechanisms. The smart lock also has a very straightforward installation process, requiring only one screwdriver, though an impact driver would have helped us speed things along. Expect to spend about 15 minutes setting it up. The Schlage Home app, which is required to set up the lock, is clean and intuitive, making management and administration of the smart functionalities a breeze. It also allows you to manage multiple locks across your home or even across different properties under the same umbrella. Senior editor John Gilpatrick recently purchased and installed this smart lock. He said he was particularly pleased with the peace of mind it provides and the app's functionality. In addition to letting me know when my cat sitter has arrived and left thanks to the app's notifications, I also appreciate that it tells me the battery power remaining on each lock, he says. That way I can change the batteries out if a lock is running low before I go out of town. Number 2. Yale Assure Smart Lock. Best for Wi-Fi connection. This smart lock stands out as the best complete replacement for your current deadbolt system, and hopefully, your need for keys. While the deadbolt does come with a mechanical key, the smart lock app is designed to auto-lock and unlock based on how long it's been since you shut the door and how close you are to the door when returning, respectively. Of course, if you lose phone connectivity, the lock won't recognize your proximity, but even without this feature, you still won't need a key, as the front-facing number pad offers an additional method of entry. The smart lock connects easily to nearly all of the major smart home assistants including Amazon Alexa, Google, Apple HomeKit, and even Airbnb software for getting key codes to your guests. Number 3. Aqara U200 Smart Lock U200. Most unlocking options. The Aqara U200 technically requires a connection to a secondary device in order to access its full range of features, but instead of this being a specific Wi-Fi bridge which you likely don't own yet, it connects to smart home hubs like the Amazon Echo or Alexa, Google Home, or Apple Home. This means the smart lock comfortably integrates with whatever existing smart home hub tech you already have. If you don't have one, of course, this might be a reason to choose a different lock, or maybe it's the reason you need to finally invest in a smart home hub. What we liked the most about this smart lock was its variety of unlocking methods. You can activate the lock with a passcode on a physical number pad, voice commands on a smart home hub, remote access from the smartphone app, proximity locking and unlocking through the phone's Bluetooth, Apple Wallet virtual keys, or temporary generated passcodes for guests. The smart lock also unlocks through a physical key fob that is sold separately. The temporary passcodes work both as one-time codes to allow in a delivery driver or handyman, as well as periodic codes that work for multiple days or weeks. These are better suited for visitors or Airbnb guests. Number 4. Lockly Visage Zeno Series Smart Lock. Most secure keypad. Lockly's Visage Zeno Smart Lock offers tons of great unlocking options, but the one we liked the most was the basic PIN keyboard. The reason why is because of its unique number scrambling technology. Many smart locks with physical keypads start fading on the numbers that are pressed most often. If you don't change the passcode, eventually someone can start guessing your PIN number based on the faded buttons. The Visage fixes this problem by shuffling the location of each digit every time you use it. That means no buttons will fade early. That said, the name of the smart lock is actually a reference to its facial recognition unlocking feature. The device comes with a built-in camera that saves facial profiles. So, if you simply walk up and look at the lock, it opens for you. After setting it up, we found that it worked pretty well in decent lighting. If it is too dark out, and you don't have a porch light, consider using your phone, the PIN, or your fingerprint instead. The smart lock also holds up to 99 different fingerprint profiles, which makes it great for any home with a large circle of nearby friends and family. This allows grandparents, kids, and close friends to have quick access to your home in a pinch if you aren't there. Number 5. Level Bolt Smart Lock. Best low profile. Levels Bolt Smart Lock lets you keep all the external components of your existing deadbolt, only replacing the internal deadbolt and actuator. If you want to hang onto a physical key for manual use, this smart lock fits the bill. The battery hides inside the deadbolt, instead of inside a housing mounted on the door, and lasts for over a year before needing a replacement. The level bolt is also the easiest smart lock we've installed, with just two main components, the deadbolt and actuator, plus 2 screws and 1 tailpiece adapter. With the tools ready, at hand, it took about 10 minutes to install. With no keypad or touchpad, all interaction with the bolt takes place through Level's smartphone app. The clever design is clean and simple, and it's impossible to tell you've got a smart lock hooked up once it's installed. We were able to set up the lock through Level's app without issue and found all the standard smart lock features you expect, including auto lock/unlock, lock status, activity history, and user management. Number 6. Alfred DB2B Smart Lock. Best for Airbnb hosts. This complete deadbolt set comes with a sleek, contemporary smart lock that features a large, easy-to-read, illuminated touchpad. It operates primarily using Bluetooth, so lock and unlock features in the app only function when you're in close proximity. Remote functionality requires an additional Wi-Fi bridge or a Z-Wave module to connect to Z-Wave home hubs. Installation of the DB2B is straightforward and takes about 15 minutes, with setup via Alfred's app taking another 10 minutes. We found the app easy to use and quickly created access codes for the occupants of our test home. Pins are numeric and can be anywhere from 4 to 10 digits. We appreciated that flexibility instead of being locked into a specific length. The number pad holds up to 20 different pin codes for entry, so the lock is ideal for hosting guests or Airbnb clients. So, which smart lock are you upgrading to? Debate in the comments. If this saved you from a security disaster, pay me back with a like, share this with someone who still uses keys, and subscribe, because tech moves fast, and you don't want to miss what's next. All purchase links are in the description. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the future.